Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a short program. Basically it's about string concatenation, joining strings together. So the first one, we're going to create a scalar variable called time, and we're going to assign this to local time. So this will give the local time and I think date as well. So let's create a subroutine called print string. Oops, I'm not in Python. Okay, I keep thinking I'm in Python. Right, okay, there we go. And then we're going to print a message to the user telling them what to do. Enter a string. Okay, and we're going to get the input from the user using chomp and create a new scalar variable called entry and assign it to standard input. So this will get any input from the user. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to output that input we've got, the string, with the local time. So we're going to join the local time onto it, and we do it like this. First of all, we use the print command to print it out, and then we use the entry here, which is the string. Then we'll use a dot there, and then local time, and another dot to concatenate this, which is a new line character. Okay, that should be okay, I think. Have we missed something there? Let us see. Okay, little problem here, and this is the little problem, so let's just get rid of it. Okay, right, let's just save it. Let's run the program. Okay, so it says enter a string. I'll just make it bigger for you. Enter a string, so the time is, okay, hit enter. Okay, so the time is Monday, July the 8th, 6:51, 2024. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Drop me a comment and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.